Hello बच्चों, this is Radha and welcome to my channel Biology Adda for All. As we all know that we have discussed about the nutrition and different modes of nutrition, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. In this video we are going to discuss about the different types of heterotrophic nutrition. You can see that heterotrophic nutrition is further divided into three categories. First is saprotrophic nutrition, second one is parasitic nutrition, and third one is holozoic nutrition. Clear? Here we will discuss about the three types of heterotrophic nutrition. First one is saprotrophic nutrition. What do you mean by saprotrophic nutrition or saprophytic nutrition? Saprotrophic nutrition is that nutrition in which an organism obtains its food from decaying organic matter of dead plants, dead animals, and rotten bread. So you can see, we all know that heterotrophic nutrition means any organism is dependent on another organism for their food. So here these organisms are obtaining their food from other animals, but those materials are dead, those plants are dead, those animals are dead, so they are dependent on other dead plants or animals. That kind of mode of nutrition is known as saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Clear to you? So learn this definition, that is very important. Saprotrophs, saprophytes. Saprophytes are the organisms which obtain their food from dead plants, dead and decaying animal bodies, and other decaying organic matter. You can take example of fungi. Fungi like bread molds, mushrooms, yeast, and many bacteria are saprophytes. We know that fungi and bacteria are the kind of plants, so we can also say that saprophytes are the plants which feed on dead and decaying organic matter. The saprophytes break down the complex organic molecules present in dead and decaying matter and convert them into simpler substances outside their body. The saprophytes are obtaining their food. What they are getting? I have told you that the body of all living beings are made up of so many chemicals, so many compounds are there. So these saprophytes are obtaining these compounds from the body of other organisms, and they are changing that complex compounds into simpler ones. That is the digestion, na? कि if breaking of any hard material, complex material into simpler material, that is digestion. So they are digesting these complex compound of the body of other organisms. Now we will discuss about the parasitic nutrition. The second types of heterotrophic nutrition is parasitic nutrition. The parasitic nutrition is that nutrition in which an organism derives its food from the body of another living organism without killing it. In saprophytic nutrition, they were obtaining their food from dead and decaying plant and animals' bodies. And here parasites are obtaining their nutrition, their food from the body of other living organism, but they are living on or inside the body of these animals. Clear to you? A parasite is an organism which feed on another living organism called its host. If any particular organism is living on the body of other living being, that particular organism is known as parasite, and if they are obtaining their food from the body of other organisms, those particular organisms on which these parasites are living or obtaining their food, those are known as their host. One thing, remember that these parasites are not giving anything in return. Remember that definition I have told you about the symbiotic relationship in which both the organisms were benefited by each other. But here only parasite is getting benefit. That host is not getting anything from parasite. Clear? So many examples are there of this kind of nutrition, parasitic nutrition. You can take example of lice also. Lice are living on head. They are sucking blood of animals. But those parasite, those lice are not giving anything to the host. See this, plasmodium and roundworms. Roundworms are living inside the body of animals. Plasmodium is also a parasite in the body of mosquitoes. Third type of heterotrophic nutrition is holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition means feeding on solid food, which may be a plant product or an animal product. Most of the animals, including human beings, take the solid food into their body by the process of ingestion. The ingested food is then digested into simpler substances which are then absorbed into the cell of the body, and the undigested and unabsorbed waste material are egested of the body. We can now say that the holozoic nutrition is that nutrition in which an organism takes the complex organic food material into its body by the process of ingestion, and the ingested food is digested and then absorbed into the body cells of the organisms. So here what these organisms are doing, they are feeding solid food material. If they are ingesting anything, if they are taking in any food material inside their body, that process is known as ingestion. And after absorption, what will happen, some of the waste material will come out, and the throwing out those waste material is known as egestion. Clear? The human beings are also like that. They are taking solid food material and they are excreting out waste material. मतलब ingestion and egestion, both processes are taking place inside the body of human beings. So many examples can be there: man, cat, dog, cattle, deer, tiger, lion, etc. These organisms perform this kind of mode of nutrition. So what we have learned in this video, that three types of heterotrophic nutrition: saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition means any organism is obtaining its food, its nutrition from dead and decaying plants material, animal material. Parasitic nutrition means any organism is taking its nutrition from the body of another living being. They are living inside the body of that kind of organisms. Holozoic nutrition, if any organism is obtaining its food as solid form, that kind of nutrition is known as holozoic nutrition. So I hope these terms are clear to you. Now in next video we will discuss about the nutrition in plants. Okay.